Hello everyone, this printer is Epson ET-3950. It's a multifunctional printer. You can print, copy and scan. After you fill up the ink tank and complete initialization, it will tell you initialization complete. Move to print quality adjustment. What I want to do is to show you how to load paper, then we proceed to print quality adjustment. So open up the paper tray, then adjust this so you can load up to 250 sheets of paper. So you go in, so after initialization, move to print quality adjustment. So we have loaded the paper, so you select OK. It will ask you adjust letter or start, so you select OK to start now. If you want to do this letter, then you select the left arrow button. It will go to the adjust letter, but you want to do this now, so you leave it on start and select OK. Clean any smear on the surface of the scanner glass. Place alignment pattern in the scanner glass. So make sure this starts on the right. Close this. Then you select OK to start. Now I'm scanning. Scanning. The adjustment is complete when you change the paper or if print results are blurred or streaked. Use maintenance to make adjustments. Then you select done. Then you remove this. Select paper size. What you loaded here is A4. Then you select proceed. Then you select OK. Then you select the size of the paper, A4, and paper type is plain paper. So if you load different type of paper, then you use arrow to select the other side of the paper. If you select OK, scroll down, select the paper you loaded. So what we have here is A4. So use up arrow or down arrow and go to the paper and select OK. Paper type, scroll down, paper type will highlight, then you select OK to the paper type. Scroll down to select the particular type of paper you loaded. What we loaded here is plain paper. So plain paper, then you select OK. So it will show you the paper we have here is plain paper. Then you go on top all the way to select done. You can set up network setting from network icon on the home page. Then you select OK. This product uses the following network function to send data, scan and save file to computer. Then you go to the settings, select OK. It will ask you allow or disallow. Then you select on it. Use up arrow to select allow. It will show you that it's allowed. Then you go up, then select done. So it will show you the main home page of the printer. So this is how to load paper and complete alignment head. Thank you very much indeed.